Hey y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for joining me today to view another declutter. This time it is some Jeffree Star liquid lipsticks and glosses and whatnot. I have a ton. You guys already know I used to have like over $500 worth of just lipsticks, and I got rid of so many, and then I've accumulated even more that I don't know what to do with because I just know I'm never going to use them. So it's time to declutter. Now I have quite the collection considering the fact that I literally don't own as much as I used to. I have a whole entire box, okay? And I know I'm never going to use them. I mean, it's great to have them for spoiler videos so I can give you a quick swatch, but realistically, that's not very smart. I haven't even like actually worn just about all these colors, okay? There's a few in here I've worn, but pretty much everything else I've never worn before. So for that reason, I have to get rid of them. Like, I just don't need them. So the ones that I just have not ever used, I'll sell them on Poshmark. Maybe I'll sell some used ones. I know you guys have bought them in the past, but for like collector purposes only, just to have it in your collection. We'll see, but I will have it linked below and whatnot. My Poshmark, and you know, you guys can go view my thingy. Once everything is decluttered, I'll have it up. I'll put it on my Instagram, yada yada yada. So we're gonna go through and we're going to look at these lipsticks. I'm gonna do some swatches for you guys. I'm gonna declutter. I'm gonna tell you what I'm gonna keep, yada yada. You already know. Maybe I'll insert a photo of like my old collection of Jeffree Star that I no longer have. There we go. If I even put the picture up, I don't know. Anyways, if you are enjoying the declutter series from me, then please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. It would mean so much because I have noticed in my analytics that over half of my viewers are not even subscribed. So if you're already viewing this video, please do me the honor and hit the subscribe button. It would melt my heart. And let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and start swatching some liquid lipsticks and showing you guys some colors. Okay, so from this direction over we have Cherry Wet, Doll Parts, the mystery shade from the summer box of 2019. Yes. We have Watermelon Soda, and then we have Diva. So I am going to get rid of a few of these shades. I'm going to get rid of Diva. I'm going to get rid of Watermelon Soda, and I'm going to get rid of Doll Parts. So I'm going to keep my mystery shade because I do love that one, and Cherry Wet, it's one of my favorites. So I'm keeping two. I'm on a good roll here. Okay, so here's some more from this direction over. We have Soft Serve, 818, Can't Relate, Below Pony, and Strawberry Crush. Now I am going to get rid of several from here, which these are really, really beautiful, but I just don't need them. So I am going to keep my Strawberry Crush because I do like this one, and I'm going to keep Can't Relate. And I'm going to get rid of my Soft Serve, Blow Pony, and 818 lipsticks. I know, I'm crazy, but they gotta go. Okay, so I'm going to do one more liquid lipstick, but I already know I'm going to keep it. It's in Mannequin. The rest are going to be bullet lipsticks. So I'm just going to show you really quick Mannequin, which I'm keeping. It's one of my absolute favorites. I adore the heck out of it. Keeping. Okay, so this way over we have the exclusive Widow lip balm from one of the last mystery boxes. Then we have Allegedly. We have Brown Sugar. We have Yummy, and then this pink shade on the end is Candy Freeze. I'm actually going to get rid of the lip balm that was exclusive because it's just, I'm never gonna wear it. I'm not. And then we're gonna get rid of Allegedly, but I'm not going to like sell this or anything because it's like, you know, this is the one from the video that had the hair on it and all the bubbles, and I had like 60,000 views on that video. I was in like 5+ drama videos, you know. So I'm gonna get rid of these two, and then I'm gonna keep these three because I actually really like these three, like a lot. Like, they're really, really pretty. Definitely keeping these three. Let's move on to lip glosses. Okay, so the first one we have is Control Freak. I have two of them, and the other one Yeah, no, yep, Control Freak, yeah. I have 2 of them. This is from the original launch. This is from a mystery box. And they're 2 completely different shades, which is so strange. Like, I don't even know. But I know they swatched the exact same, so I'm just like confused. Hold on, I'm gonna swatch them one more time. Like, it's not old. Like, this just came out last year. But I'm like confused as to why they're 2 different shades, you know what I mean? Unless like it was reformulated or something. Oh no, they're definitely 2 different shades. Which is very strange. They're, yeah, I don't know if you can tell, but they are 2 different. So I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of this one because this one's older. I know there's nothing wrong with it. I just think that he probably reformulated it and changed the color a little bit because they're not the same, but they're also not old, you know what I mean? But I'm gonna definitely keep Control Freak. So I'm going to swatch some glosses and then we'll head into the mini lipsticks. Okay, here's a few glosses. We have Crystal Climax here, and then we have Legends Only. We have this shade here, which was an exclusive shade from one of the mystery boxes in Succulent, if you guys remember this. And then we have Diamond Juice right here, which I'm pretty sure Diamond Juice was the one I kept trying to find during all of my spoiler videos for the Halloween mystery boxes. Pretty sure. But here it is. Here's Diamond Juice. If that was the one I was like, I cannot find it. So I'm actually going to keep Legends Only. I really like this gloss. And I'm going to get rid of the exclusive Succulent gloss, which I think is the one that I bought from Porcelain on Poshmark, or maybe it was the other one. I think it was this one. I paid $36 for that, and I bought it from Porcelain. She has over 100,000 subscribers on YouTube, but whatever. And then I'm going to get rid of Crystal Climax, and I'm going to get rid of Diamond Juice. Like, I don't wear these glosses. I've never worn these glosses, so, like, why do I need them? Getting rid of them. I know. Okay, so we have 4 more glosses. We have Sky High right here. We have Candy Drip. We have the exclusive in Succulent. Not Succulent. What is this called? Soft Core Sparkle. And then we have Shockwave. I'm going to get rid of all the glosses. I don't need any more. I'll just keep 2 of them. My loss is your gain, people. I don't need them. Like, I really don't. I don't need them at all. I decided it was time to do some liners. So we have lip liners here. So I have Anna Nicole, and then we have Calabasas, Doll Parts, Dominatrix, Androgyny, Unicorn Blood, and Posh Spice. I'm actually going to get rid of several of these. So we're going to get rid of Anna Nicole. We're going to get rid of Doll Parts. We're going to get rid of Dominatrix, Androgyny, Unicorn Blood, and I had a second Anna Nicole, so I'm going to keep the other Anna Nicole, the Posh Spice, and the Calabasas. So I'm going to get rid of these liners. I know, I'm insane. Now all we have are minis left, so pretty excited. We're almost done. I have a feeling I'm only going to keep like a few of these, so let's get it. Okay, so here's the start of the minis. We have Dominatrix here, Birthday Suit, Tasty, Posh Spice, Wifey, and Family Jewels. Okay, so I'm gonna get rid of all of these except for Posh Spice. I really like Posh Spice. It's really, really pretty. The rest of them I just don't need. So they gotta go. Sayonara. Okay, so from this direction over, we have Gemini, Skin Tight, Rose Madder, Red Rum, Calabasas, and Unicorn Blood. I am going to keep Rose Madder and Calabasas, and then I'm going to get rid of the rest. So these are going to go. We're on the home stretch, you guys. The home stretch. Holy crap, that is a bright color. I haven't even like swatched it before. A lot of these I've never swatched, so. Okay, so this over, we have Prom Night, Top Shelf, Leo, Nathan, and I'm Nude. I'm actually going to keep Nathan and I'm Nude, and then get rid of these 3 here. And then our last 3, we have Anna Nicole, Celebrity Skin, and Christmas Cookie, which I'm keeping all 3. So let's see how many we're keeping and how many we're getting rid of. And then I'm just going to add it to my Kylie box because, you know, whatever. And I'm getting rid of 33. Wow. So I had 54, okay? 54 liquid lipsticks and liners, glosses, whatever. I had so many and I don't ever use them. Almost a lot of them I never even used until I just swatched them. So I'm definitely going to be selling just about all of them on my Poshmark, like literally. So stay tuned for that. So anyways, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Which is your favorite color? Did I get rid of your favorite color? Let me know all of your opinions and thoughts down below. I hope you guys aren't like upset with me that I'm getting rid of so much, but I have so much and I know I'm not going to use it. I'd rather give it to you guys. You guys can use it, whatnot. You know what I mean? You know what I mean. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!